love being outdoors. I love the interaction with wildlife. I love that moment when an animal realizes that you're not a threat and they walk closer to you and closer to you, and they're grazing right in front of you, whether it be a moose or a deer or an elk. Hi, my name is Lori Davis. I'm a nature photographer living in Bass Harbor, Maine, and I've been doing it for about 20 years now. A typical work day for me might be getting up an hour or so before sunrise. I might spend the golden light hours photographing nesting loons or sunrise or light coming through an arch in the southwest. I kind of have to work with what I'm presented with. The rewards, whether it be a one-on-one interaction with an animal or a flash of northern lights, something that's a rare moment in nature that I get to be there and experience and capture to bring back to share with somebody else. It's just my inspiration, it's my drive that keeps me wanting to do this with my time. I think it's very important that my work influences others. I do it because I love it and because it feels like who I am. It's what I'm passionate about. But what makes it most rewarding is when I can share it with somebody else. When I can come back and show somebody a picture of something that they couldn't see firsthand. Check out my website, LoriDavisPhotography.com. See if you get as much pleasure and inspiration out of my work as I do.